Okay, so the macaroni is boiled. Now I'm going to put it in this container with milk, butter, cheese, little seasoning, put it in the oven so it can bake. Okay, hold this for me, please. Okay, just pointing what I'm doing. So, okay, so don't put my face in there. All right. All right, so you know the macaroni boil. I'm gonna put some butter in the bottom, and also on top I'm going to mix it together because the macaroni is hot, and when I put the butter in there, it's gonna melt it. It's gonna melt it. So I'm just gonna spread it out in the bottom. I'm going to spread this butter out. You see it?
Yeah.
I'm spreading the butter in the container. Yeah. And then now I'm going to take out the macaroni out of the pot. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to put some cheese in the bottom also. Put some cheese in there. Yeah. Focus on the stove. I don't want to show everything, okay? Alright. You see me cutting the cheese?
Yeah.
You gotta show everything I'm doing, okay?
Yeah, it's all
Alright, so I'm spreading out some cheese in there, okay, before I put the macaroni in there. Alright. Now, oops, I dropped something on the ground. I can pick that up, but I'm gonna pick it up anyways. Where that? Okay, so now I'm gonna take out all this macaroni here. I'm gonna put it in here. Put all this macaroni in here. Okay, so this macaroni is a lot, so I'm going to use a bigger dish so it can go faster. Okay, very, very hot, so you have to be careful. Be careful what you're doing when you're doing this thing here. You have to be very careful. Yep. Don't let the water in there. Yep. Not as yet. All right, get some more. This is a lot of macaroni. Oh, this container is hot. Yeah, this is really hot. Oops, I can roll it. Oh, no, I'm gonna burn myself. Okay. Continue with the spoon. Wish I have a bigger spoon that work. Okay. Come on. Okay. I mean, I can just pour it out. All right. Hold the camera right there. I'm gonna pour some water out in here. It's not even gonna work. This is a stubborn situation. Take out this macaroni. As a matter of fact, it doesn't even matter if I get a little bit of water in there. You doing it?
Yeah.
You have any good pictures? Good views?
Yeah.
It's bright enough so that my viewers can see what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. This is for all my YouTubers who doesn't know how to make macaroni and cheese. This is the way to go. You always have to boil the macaroni and cheese before. You know, this is taking forever. And I want to speed this thing up. What else can I use? Oh. Let me try this. The first one was too hot. Alright. Alright, this can help me speed it up, yeah? Just make sure the water doesn't come out. Because remember, you're going to put milk in there and all the cheese and stuff. So, alright, here's the one sticking on the pot right here. Okay, to even get it off. Okay, that looks good, huh?
Yep.
Oh my, that's a lot of macaroni. I think I'm gonna have to use 2 containers. Okay, so now we're getting somewhere. You see it, right?
Yep.
Okay, make sure you're seeing it good. Alright, I'm gonna pour this off a little bit. Pour this water out in the sink a little bit. Put it on me pouring out the sink. You can always edit it. Alright, going back over there. Okay. Continuing with what I'm doing. Continuing taking these out. Wow, these macaroni, like he's probably saying, you put too much in there. I don't think I can do all this here. Let's see how it goes. I put a cheese in the bottom. Alright. I'm not sure if when it's big, if it's gonna be like a lot, but it feels like it's just that I have to put the cheese and all this stuff in there.
Yep.
Wow, that was a bit of work taking all these out. Wow, and I still have more in there. On the stove, but I'm not gonna use these. Okay, so now here we go. Oh, it's spoon hot. All right. So, Lord, okay. We'll pour some butter on the top. It's going to melt in there. Let me put a little season. What do you think a little season can do, right? Yeah, I'm gonna spice it up a little bit. A little seasoning there, not just, you know, not just butter and cheese. It needs a little flavor. A lot more flavor than just butter and cheese. looks good, right?
Yep.
It's gonna be a really nice macaroni and cheese, man. Mmm. Wow, that looks good. Come a little closer with it. Don't stay so far away because you want them to see everything I'm doing. Alright. Now put the butter. See? Put the butter on the top. I want the butter to be all over it. Yeah. Oops. All over it so it can soak right through it. Yeah. Oh man, I'm messing this cheese up with all this seasoning. Messing the butter up with the seasoning on the spoon. Yeah, but you know. Yeah, make sure you have butter in all corners. All the corners. So when it's cooked, it's not dry. You know. It's moist and nice. Yeah. Tastes really, really good. Okay. I'm gonna have to clean up this cheese because I put all the seasoning. Let me take these out. This butter. Yep. Now I have seasoning in my butter. Okay, I cleaned off all the seasoning. It's not contaminated. It's seasoning. Season that we all eat. So now I'm going to put cheese on top. Cut this thing off. And cheese all over it, man. Yeah. I want to get the cheese inside the macaroni. Because the cheese is not just going to be on top. You got to get it in there. Anything drop, I'm putting it back. All right. Get some more cheese. Cut this off. That cheese in there. See that? Get it down in there. It's not gonna be just on top. I will clean this up once I'm done. Yep, gotta get that cheese in there. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a really, really good macaroni and cheese. Yep. Look good. Looks so good. Yeah, it looks really good already. I'm proud of myself already. And it's not even cooked yet. It's not even baked yet. Yeah, this looks really good. All right, one more cheese. Because I use 4 packs of macaroni, so I'm using 4 packs of cheese. Now this is gonna be some really good macaroni and cheese. All right. This cheese gonna melt in there. It's gonna go all the way in there. So you know, I'm gonna leave some cheese on top, like that. Yep. All right. So the milk, you know. The milk, I don't have to boil the milk because it's going to bake in there. I'm just gonna pour the milk on there and let it bake. That looks good, right?
Yep.
Or I should put some more in there. That's good. I don't think it needs any more milk. don't know. It's gonna just bake. All right, there we go. I put all this milk in there. Now, I'm gonna turn the stove on. Big start. I put it in 360. This is going to be in the this is going to be in the oven for a good 45 minutes. Let's see. A good 45 minutes. You just leave it in there open like that. Should I put it on the top?
Oh.
Oh shit. Okay. That's my problem. Alright, let me clean this up real quick. Let me get something to clean it up. Obviously that stuff is too big. No.
You said the S word on the YouTube?
No, did I?
Yep.
Oh, I didn't know. I'm sorry, I forgot I was recording.
You're busted.
I am definitely busted.
Look at that car. That's neat looking.
Let me turn this off first.
Jerome, look at that car.
Alright, I spilled the stuff, so I have to clean this off before I can bake my stuff. If not, it's gonna cause a fire. This is not what I was expecting. More work on top of what I'm doing. Okay, show them it in the oven. Show them. Go up close with your roll. Okay, put it back right there. Okay, so I will show you guys when it's baked. Thank you for watching.